What's up, everybody? RC Crawler Madness here. Yeah, we're laying on the floor today. It's been a while since we posted something. I've been doing a little bit of work on the Scx10 II. Made a back rack for it on the box. It's a pickup box. It's the Toyota Hilux. Box, and I made the custom rack on there for it. But there it is, you guys. It's the custom rack. I don't really have a desk to work on right now. Been packing things up and stuff, but I thought I would fill you in on what I've been doing on my spare time. Well, I'm not packing things. So here it is. Scx10 custom rack, you guys. I think it looks pretty good on there. I put some little boxes and toolboxes on there and stuff that I got. And so if you guys are following, that's just what I've been doing. Working on the Scx10. I've got it a little lowered, put some rock rails on there. On the other side, they're actually the old rock rails from my Traxxas Traxxas trx4 Bronco I have. These are the stock plastic ones. I just modded them to fit on the Scx10 so that it has rock rails, and then I'm gonna mod. I got this bumper for it here that came with it, and then I got a mod bumper for the back here. Probably do like some metal tubing or something, or figure something out. But I thought I'd do some updates on that. And I've also been working on the Bronco. I'm gonna make a roof rack for it to put on here. And that's good. I got new wheels, new rack rails from the previous videos you've seen. And just been working on that. Got the body all thing, and I got headlights in it, and I put a little bit of the lights under here so it's a little bit brighter. But it's coming along. Just putting out the roof rack for that thing right now. And WPL MN hybrid, it's all back together. So that's good. It looks nice. There you go. Set it up. And there's the WPLMN, you guys. Looking good now too. It's got the rear bumper on there, and the front bumper on there. And that thing I put all back together and everything. It's all good to go. But thanks for your time, you guys. Make sure you subscribe and follow and whatever. In the future, once we get our shop, we'll be doing a lot more than we are now. We're just starting off, you know. But Scx10 custom rack and WPL, and the Bronco, and HB, and the Power Wagon. And this thing is coming along, it's looking good. It's gonna customize some bumpers for that thing and figure that out, and then we'll be good. It will come along too. It moves and everything, crawls and everything. It just doesn't have any bumpers or rock rails. And it's up to make some for it down the road here. But it's looking good. And there's the Jeep, the Jeep Cherokee MN 78. And it's looking good. But yeah. That's all that's been going on, you guys, at RC Crawler Madness. So make sure you subscribe and follow. We love you. Talk to you soon. Peace out, RC Crawler Madness.